Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba Instant On AP25. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content.
The AP25 is a high-end indoor Wi-Fi 6 access point from the Aruba Instant On range. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here, you have a quick start and startup guides. We will look at the AP a bit later. First, let's see what else is in the box. We have a 3-in-1 mounting bracket. It is designed for fixing onto a standard 14 or 24mm suspended ceiling T-bar, as well as onto flat surfaces by using the two pre-drilled holes. Also included is a 1.5-meter Ethernet cable, which is handy if you want to get started quickly and connect the APs to your network. There is nothing else in the box. Let's have a look at the AP itself. The unit feels solid and it is noticeably heavier than AP22. On the front is a removable sticker with the serial number and two LED status lights. On the back and recessed on the side is the Ethernet port and power socket. The PSU can be ordered separately if required. There's a console port and a reset button. You will need a pin to reach it if you ever need to use it. And on the other side is a Kensington security slot. To install the AP, once the mounting bracket has been installed, you can simply rotate and click the AP into place. To release, squeeze the clips inwards and rotate anti-clockwise. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. See you next time!